In your course, you can start on the course homepage and you will see a bunch of tiles here. These tiles are actually what are called modules in Brightspace. So you can see all the different course modules that we have. And when you click here to content, just to orient you, any of these on the left-hand side that are flush left are also modules. So they carry over to the course home as a tile if they're a module. And then if you see an indent here, you'll see what's called the submodule. So within lessons, we have nested all of these submodules that are slightly indented. Then we go back left again, which is our textbook info, which appears as a tile on the front page there, and it's flush left. So you see it's a module. And if you want to add a new module, you can just go ahead and click on the bottom here, and maybe you want to make a new module called supplemental materials, and then just hit enter. And you'll see that it will drop to the bottom here, supplemental materials, and then you can add your content here. So to navigate to any of these, you just want to click on them, and then you can add your content in this main area here. You can also add what is called a submodule, which is essentially a folder within the content area. And you just go ahead and click here. Maybe within your supplemental materials, you want to have videos. That would be essentially a folder of videos. And then down here, maybe I want to add article links here, and then I'll make another folder or submodule with those in there. And it's just a way to organize and create content that is easily to be able to find. The other thing you can do is move your content around. So when I'm in lessons here in these submodules, maybe I'm in week 5 and I want to move one of these from this submodule in week 5. So test 1, I'm actually going to move to week 4. So all I have to do here is click on the down arrow, and you can move it up within this submodule. If there was something below it, you can move it down, but since it's right in the middle or at the bottom, you can only move it up. Otherwise, you can move it to move it to a different submodule, and you just click on move to, and then you're going to have to pick lessons because you still want to keep it in the lessons area. And then this is nesting in another week. So I want to move to, say, week 3, and then I will click on move. So you can see it's gone from here, but now when I click on week 3 here, I can see that test 1 has been moved. The other way you can move stuff is with these 8 dots, and you can see like a compass come up, north, south, west, east, and you can drag with the 8 dots within a module or a submodule. And you see the line with the blue dot or the circle with the blue line there, that means you're moving it, and then you can drop it there. So you have to see that line with the circle to be able to drop it in that area and let it go, and it will move it. Depending on how your computer is, it might be easier just to use the move up or move down feature. This one we can move up or move down because it's in the middle, and then you can move to if you want to move it to a whole different area.